Hello everyone, we are BChau,
Thiên Ân,
Quế Chi. Today we are going to make a mini Christmas tree and now we are going to introduce about the ingredients that we need to make the Christmas tree. So here are the materials that we need to make the crispy pretzel. First is 1 box of pretzel. The second is 2 bars of chocolate. And here are some things that we use to decorate the pretzel, like M&M, chocolate, or this Chupa Chups candy.
After boiling the water, we put the chocolate into plastic bag and melt them for 2 minutes. Here you can see we are going to put into the boiled water.
And now we will cut the packaging of these pretzels and put them on a plate. Here we are. Now we have our melted chocolate. So now we will take out some pretzels from the packet and then put them on something like a plate or something else. And here are the decorations for the pretzels.
Now we will spray chocolate on the pretzels we let out earlier. Since we were a big time, we left one out.
We will decorate these cakes by some decorations that we prepared before.
After finishing the first stick, we are going to continue to spread chocolate on the next one.
So now we will decorate these cakes by some decorations that we prepared before.
Once done, we are going to take it to the fridge to harden chocolate for 5 to 10 minutes. After that, we take the chocolate out and finally we will enjoy it.
Here, this is our result. It looks good, right? And now we're eating the pretzels that we've done, even though it looks a little bit terrible and can't be separated from the plates. It tastes really good. The chocolate is sweet and the pretzels are crunchy. It tastes very yummy and incredible.